Hi everyone, in this video, I will show and explain to you how to fix League of Legends friend list not loading. So first things first, make sure that your date and time is up to date. Now, if it's okay, then simply click on Ctrl Shift ESC, and if that didn't work, simply right click here on the Windows icon and open the Task Manager. Here go to Details, and here on the left side, look for League Client UX Render. For example, here it is. Now, it will be a lot of this, like here League Client UX Render, there will be multiple. Now look for the one that has biggest memory. For example, this one has the biggest memory. Right there, 94,000. Simply right click on it and hit on Add Task. And after that, try to restart the league and your PC, and that's basically it.